how to see the dislikes on YouTube. So if you want to see the dislikes on your YouTube, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your YouTube application. Once you go with your YouTube, for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've chosen, you need to simply go with the share option. Once you tap on share, now tap on copy link. And after copying your link, now you need to go back and open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with a new tab and just go with search. And under search, you need to search for dislike counts on YouTube. And here you will have the YouTube dislike viewer on the first. You just need to simply paste the URL right here and then go with get, which will be on the right side. And from here, you'll be able to see the likes, dislikes, which are 2% of the likes. And that's it. That's how you can see your dislikes on your YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.